So this is Nichesss and it's available on AppSumo for just $59. So that's a one-time purchase. So as you can see the features here, so in this $59 you get unlimited tokens. It has AI marketing copy generator, then AI idea generator, then write your newsletters, then come up with email subject lines, then you can create Instagram posts and Twitter tweets, give you YouTube video ideas for any niche, then tell what to say in the YouTube video. So this is available for 60-day money back guarantee. You can just try it out. So it's really good, and this is a direct alternative to Jasper, Writer, then different AI writing tools out here. So let's check out this Nichesss. And as you can see, this is the main home screen here. So I was actually trying it out for a long time. So as you can see, there are 148 content tools here, and once you click on create new, so here, so this is the short form and this is the long form here, and also you can just filter out by tags here. So you can go by ads, blogs, books, then businesses. So I'll just show you here. So this is the long form here, and then we have this acronym AI story. Then we have this AppSumo style app description, author bio, band name. Then these are blog listicle items, blog listicle style post titles. Then we have blog conclusion. Then you have book description, book ideas. Then it's course description, course module list here. Then we have digital product name generator, email response, email subject, fun, generic. So as you can see here, Google Ads. Then we have this Instagram caption, then horoscope generator. Then we have this LinkedIn bio, then LinkedIn networking outreach. This is also good. Then we have this LinkedIn post here, love poem, then magic paragraph, Pinterest description, out of office email. So there are almost 148 tools you can use this for. Then we have this Reddit post here. Then again there are different tools out here. You can just have a look. You can just try it out. So in this video what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you how you can create an article using this write a document here. So I'll just give it a name as a test article. You can give it any name. So again in the description itself you can just, so once you select the template here, you can select as a blog post here, and I'll click on save here. So as you can see, this is the topic here, then this is the intro, then write about, outline. Okay, so we'll just fill the details one by one here. Okay, so first of all we'll just fill the variables here. So let's say we want to write it for how to lose weight fast, and these are the outline items here. So as you can see, 1, 2 and 3. So how you can lose weight, we just have to mention it in simple word, like one is exercise, then let's say avoiding fast food, and third one is diet. Okay, I'll just click on apply here. Okay, I'll click on auto write here. So as you can see, this has generated a 540 words article. So as you can see, this is the main intro here, and then we have this blog outline here. Then we have this exercise, then talk about diet here, and so as you can see, this is avoiding fast food, and in the last we have the summary here. So similarly you can write an entire article using this Nichesss, and we'll try something more. So let's check out Quora here, Quora answers. I'll just click on test. I'll click on create project. Okay, so here you can just enter the question here. Let's say, which is the best email marketing software? So this is the question here. So I'll just click on get text here. Okay, so this is irrelevant here. Okay, so any email marketing software is good, but MailChimp and Aweber are most popular email marketing software among bloggers. So as you can see, you can use this one. So this is, I've selected this generic headline here. Let's say how to reduce belly fat. Okay, so let's see what are the results we get. Okay, how to burn belly fats, 8 easy steps, 6 ways you can reduce the fat on your belly. Okay, so these are all the headlines here. So as you can see, there are around 148 tools. You can just check them out. I'll just leave a link in the description down below. So you can just check this Nichesss app, which is available on AppSumo for a lifetime deal. Also, there is 60-day money back guarantee. You can try it out for 2 months to make sure if it's right for you. So I hope you liked the video. I'll see you in the next one.